Right, Vibes in 5, Ghana's first social media celeb talk show. The name Arnold, Elavanyo. You can always call me, bro, you see me? Big shouts to you, wonderful viewers, because you keep it going and you keep the platform #1. The whole of Africa, we're taking over. Big shouts going out to Edidas Akins, director numero uno. Big shouts to legend, to you, Sat, Brown, Vanny, Tomica. Also going out to you. Lazo is here in the studio, so a big shouts going out to you. Lazo. My guest, again, it's coming all the way from Salaga. And I need to say good evening going out to you, Black Rasta, the Salaga soldier. I appreciate you, big man. Senior colleague in the industry. When you hear Salaga, you hear Black Rasta. Chief Akwaba, you are welcome.
Thank you.
The name is Nana Chaprekum. Cut it one time. Nana Chaprekum. Please tell mommy to, handle kid better. Nana, Akwaba biem.
Say.
Hanum dia boko.
Alhamdulillah, you don't miasi.
Akwanswe.
Oh, you don't miasi. Inshallah. Yesu ya babe durasunje. Na boni bia ni ho.
Wona we ye, I mean, one of the nana no more mabet na ha, mumfa niama bebre engu omkon mu.
Allah akbar.
Di ntina wo dia wo niama no ndoso sa. Why don't you have a lot of things around your neck?
Yeah. Unim say, ewiase. Obia na ne die.
Right.
Said yet now we obia ne edin die ewo no so.
Right.
Ana aduro so. Enye say wofa aduro bebre ade ye hu na ye aduro.
It is not the number of things you have around your neck that shows how powerful you are.
To say said yet now we. Obi bet me bet na say. Na no hu nyina ye aduro. Bet ba kun kura ntimi ye adwuma. What you say on? Enti your papa ana yewo de munye papa. What you say on?
Right.
Because obi wo ho to say ni fie die. Wotu saa nema no awo ni fie. Ana obi so wo ho. To say wokọ bibi koji ntoro. What you say on? Enti wodi saa nema no bae no. Onu de wo hwe say nema no nyina ye adwuma. But nay stay ntoro no kata.
So there are people who go for lies and come and sit and spew lies.
So sana me kire wo no. Ana obi so wo ho. Wanye ne fie. Atu ade no na ade no ye wo nana de. Na eno no se wudi ntoro a sa ade no enjae wo. What you say on? To enti ye no ye sorry ahu say ye papa katasa nema no.
Right.
Ana ye papa sawu ajai nema no amaye. What you say on? Eno nema na ye kata no.
Eno ne niama amukuta. So that's what you have. Yours is from the house.
Me dey fie.
And papa, real. Is it real? Is it original?
Papa. Because say they make away. Me pesa me nkasa bibiri, but me pesa me nkasa kakra.
Right.
Because na adwuma de me ye no. Me ye no to say me wo fie na nipa ba, de wo hia nyina na me mbo sa nipa no. Ana me fie de wo fie no. Ana mo kire me say nipa bibire pemboa. Enti eye say yenyi ye hu kire nipa. Na nipa mbra. Be hun be bia no kore wo. What you say on? Entina
You see, I am here because there's so much power in my house that we use to help people or that we use to find solution to people's problems. But nipa obia say our solution. Everybody says they have solution. In fact, I had loads of people sit in this chair who claim they have solutions, but still people have problems. How do we know or tell that yours is proper?
Okay. The entire make answer no. When you say we are see there, enya nipa ba kun there. To say there me ba we.
Yeah.
Me nkasa say we you say there be. Say there me ba we. Say nipa frame ya. Say nipa frame ana me ya adwuma ma no a. Say ye papa ubeti.
Yeah.
Say enye papa so a say ubeti. To eno na obehu say nipa de omu ba ha no de omu ye papa ni.
Right.
De omu nye papa ni.
Right.
What you say on?
Right.
And he said the wo no.
So based on feedback, you'll be able to tell the proper ones from the fake ones. That is all Nana Chapreku is saying.
Yeah.
Right.
Enti na me kire wo say me nkyerɛ sɛ obi we enye o but nipa de ombe ya adwuma awo ye nkyɛn no ama nipa de ombe frɛ no omu no ombe kyerɛw sɛ nipa papa nie
right
so what you say ana ombe sa kyerɛw sɛ nipa we wonya papa what you say to say the eti no
obi ba hanom someone came here and said oyera ye ekopie nsu ase got missing and appeared under the sea. Someone also came here and said, as for him, he can fly. Obetimi to ako krobia so wiase. Obi nso say, someone also said, she flies on leather and drops people in countries of their destination. Me paucho, edian na also tell me, what are you also able to do?
Said the etie no. They say, nipa de what you say, wayera akonsume no.
It is there. People
but
get
nipa ba kumba na mutimi yesa.
It's just a few people who are able to go under the sea.
Because said the etie no. They say the mini wo kasa we.
Right.
Deɛ wo dem nyina me ma wie ni nyina.
Whatever is in my room, you have stolen all. Where we are ni nyina na.
Ma wie ni nyina. Ma hu bibia.
When hu bibia wo me dem.
What you say on? Na deɛ wo hu nyina ma wie ni nyina.
Wait. As we speak, you know everything in my room.
Ninyina.
Everything.
Ninyina.
And you know everything on me.
Sesia
yet.
They won't nyina. Ana said they would now so bet me a chair we are ready. Oh, what you say?
Na say, and no dear, ubet me I can because you can say it because it's a minim yare woman so now can.
Say, it's a yare no never swa. Say yare no etimi how. What you say? Entina me kyerɛw sɛ bet me a kyerɛw yare de wo so. Be say me kyerɛw sɛ yare de wo so nie. Na saa de no hawa.
Intino udia, let's leave the area, let's leave the sickness and talk about the things in my room.
Yeah.
You say you can see everything in my room and you can see everything on me now.
Yeah.
What do you see on me? There
won hu no. Said they what na we no.
Right.
Fear the wo free no.
Yes.
Busun fie.
The house I come from is a God's house, or how do you say? Is it if you be a busum wo? So I agree. Yes, every house has a God.
Na mo fie no. Sa busun no. Mutimi sie busun no ahibia.
Mutimi that one too. Well, I don't know. Now I don't know. But I know that if a family has gods,
who person won hwehwe no a, hwehwe no papa fie.
Yes, na se busum ne de ewo family ni mu a.
De me kire we no.
Yeah.
Wonnim no enye se mi na be kire wo. Efru papa fie.
Yes, it's from my father's side.
Na sa ayi no so wonnim ayi no asam. Anka sa de no ni ho a. Anka se de mi wo tena we. Anka se bere wo wonni ho a.
Nkamawu.
Had
it not been for that thing, I would have been
so
right.
And yeah, idea the SI family.
It doesn't destroy family.
A idea the Ichichil family. What you say?
Wow. A idea and say family. The thing in my house, it doesn't destroy family.
No.
It brings families together.
So, enti wenu me pese me kire we ansa na me nko. But the me pese me kire we say would see a yentro a be kire wo nema de omudi yesa nema no. Wow. But enye enu na di me buy.
Enye enu na de o buy.
But say bi pia enye say me kire wo.
E was say utimi kire. Okay, there
is so me pese me kire say ana wo tiri yare.
Me wo tiri yare. But well, meeting time by me.
Utiri payo pa.
Utiri payo. Meeting time by me.
Me ba. Utiri payo. Utiri payo.
Okay, ye wo tipaye bia. Ye wo tipaye bia etimi ba wonhye dan feeli. Ye wo tipaye bia e ba won Philippines na na.
Won Philippines.
Ana me Philippines no.
Won Philippines.
Say me ti paye me.
Utiri payo pa. Wonim sia na etiri no ko fom.
Miti I don't know. Hardly meeting time pay me bia
me kire say utiri pay wo da bia
okay
enye sare
okay ha cause meeting pay me
sir utiri pay wo
Okay. A woman miti pie me. Once in a while. A woman miti pie me.
Na sa e tiri pie no so. Se be start wo ha.
Me ha migraine. Sa okay. Wow.
Na enye kata o.
Enye kata. Eye eti pie nkasa.
Enu na mpese me kire sesia ansana
na trapre
mi kire wo fie de wo ho no se wo fie no ma kire wo sa na ma no ensai
right
sa na ma no yete se bambo no mudi mpanyinfo no di gumu fie enti wo de ne be ka face
okay
asana me nto aso
okay yankoso menya atina ha de family de awde be ye bia family de awde be ye bia
na ewiase no ye wo papa for
yeah
na ye wo de munye papa
we have those who are bad and we have the good people
enti na me kire wo say de me ba we
right
say me ye papa o be frɛ wa kire wo
yeah
say
we ye boni nso a
ye boni a
o be frɛ
wa kire wo
yes
because nde me baby ami ya adwuma no me gini pasika
you don't take money from people
no say wo frɛ me say wo pe adwuma mbe kire wo say mami wudin
right
wonya mami wudin a me mpe hwi
so all you need when the person calls is the person's name that's all
edin keke na me pe
right
say menya di no a ade tu mpanyinfo nim mpanyinfo no mbe kire de ekosum bia na me frɛ wo na me kire wo say akokɔ de beto yes adwuma no a say wo nipa de obeba soma nipa no mbra say wo si wonni nipa de obeba boni bia ne ho mi mbe ya adwuma no amawo be say wo bibia mi ya duro na me fa mani car ana me fa mani plane na nko wo nche mi you don't give items to car or plane to deliver to anyone. No.
Unya sa.
Me nya sa.
Edi entina unya sa.
Thank you very much. The entina me kire say me yesa no. Adwuma de me ye na e fi adwuma.
So my work is from the house.
Ana me su me gi adwuma ni di
and I believe in the work.
Ana se sia so me kire say na me pese ade no ye mame a sa na be ye mame.
And if I tell my girls to do this for me, that is what they will do.
Se sia wo white police that say yard ba ko a suma akwala no for white police no ko to them. No pay them, no lock them no.
If you have white polyester, send a child to go and put it in your room and lock the room and come out.
To die me ka no me kama won kasa no
miankasa wo kama miankasa say me white polyester 1 yard e wo fia
yeah
me ma obi mfa nkoto dem mu mami sesi a ye kasa ya
sesi na ye kasa say me ni wo dem
yes
me ni bu fie
yes
but me hu wo dem
hu me dem
what you say
wow
ana die wo ho before na me start adwuma no
right
to say bambo what to say abuchire ana bebia wo bia
wherever you are
be se wo abuchire o pese wo mbra menchi a wo betimi aba
okay
se wo Ghana so a wo pese wo mbra wo de bra be se wo ntimi mba sa police town
yeah
we fa tu
you put if you are unable to come to me you put the polyester in the room okay fatu them
se wo beba menchi a jai
if you come to me don't do so the polyester is for people who cannot come to you physically. Okay, good.
Enti say bambo na wo pe.
If you want protection.
Say me ya adwuma na wi a. Mpanyinfo kasa be pagya sa nema no awo mi nche o. Akotu sa police no so.
Wow. So if it is protection you need, as soon as I am done performing the rituals for you in my Salaga shrine, the gods themselves will pick what I have done and make it appear on the polyester in your room.
Hey, adwuma bia na wo pe.
Whichever way.
Sa na on be ye no. Enti me mpese me ntwontro se me ko posti aduro ama wo awabuchire.
So you
na me ndane ntrofo me yesa.
You don't post medicine, you don't post anything, you don't send by car, by DHL, you don't do those things. Wo de na ampenyifo na nkasa be pepeja na omde ko. So yours is transported by the spirits themselves, the gods themselves. Ni nyina no.
Na de mu bedi na mu fa na ma no koye no. Se bebe ya adwuma no ase ya akokɔ na ekum akokɔ nde ayi adwuma na wi a saa akokɔ no moja no mbedi ade saa ne ma no ade kokoma.
Oh, I see. So whatever animal was slaughtered for your work, it is the blood of that animal the spirits will consume as they journey to bring your job to you in whichever country you are.
Sa pepe. Na boni bia ne ho.
Boni bia ne ho.
Enti se de me kire we. Me pese me nkasa asam no ma wo.
Pachoka mame.
Because nipa be frew.
Yes.
What you say one? Nipa be frew a che se die me ka we no. Sa pepe na ntro ne ho.
Na natural preko.
Na se si aso se nipa te se wo abuchire. Na et se paper na asam ye di ma wa. Se wo nya start paper no a. Na asam ye different.
Right.
Se wo koye process no a na papers na nya mpie ba. Mbetimi a kire we eda. Na me ma no paper white police no. Akotu edem no. Na wo look edem no. Na me ma say 30 minutes say 10 minutes am be kire wo. What you say? Na wo ba mpanyimfo be kokoyi. So far as wo ma wie but wo paper no. But wo ma wo time there. Ade no on be fa ade no ma wo no.
Right.
Insha Allah nyame tumi ne panyimfo ntumi. On be kokoyi sa karata no nyina be tu sa police no so. What you say? We enye say nipa ba kwa na nipa mesa na nipa menan da be.
Let me explain. He's saying that if you live outside, you know, documentation issues are a lot, you know. If you've already started the process, he has a way he deals with it. If you haven't started to, he has a way he deals with it. However, if you have started the process and you contact him, he will be able to tell you the exact time, day and date your document to be ready, and the spirits themselves will go to the home office, snatch the document from the home office workers, and come and put it on the white polyester for you to see in your room. Wow. But how is this possible, Nana Chapreku, with all due respect?
Okay.
How?
Se wo pese wo no a enti na me kire se ende soma fi akwala wo fi no for white polyester ko tu o dem se sia let me kire wo example.
Now he's saying that if I want to know how true it is, I should send someone in my house to go and put white polyester in my room to be able to see something. But as a matter of fact, there is no one at home and I don't have white polyester. So this example, dear, please forgive me. I won't be able to let him do it for me. Obia ni fie.
Right. Okay, Matiwai. Inshallah, say ombe freo.
Yes.
A chireo. Because say dem we adwuma no. Sa nipa ye papa ombe chireo.
Yes. Say
boni so a ombe chireo. To say dem no kasa we. And then Asia.
Yeah.
Wonnim me.
Yeah.
Me so me nim.
Yeah.
But baby me da metimi hunu. Say be ba wo channel no so.
Who die no you knew.
Yeah. Say be ba wo channel no so.
You saw it.
Ana de sa wo ho ye say. Ewi asigisa motre. Yo wo nipa bibiri omu abuchire.
Right.
Omusika sam enkoyi. Enye say omu yi adwuma wo, omu yi adwuma. Omu nye sika bibiri. Be sika no entimi ngina omu nsem. Se omu yi once dia mframa be fat say 10 million awas asika mu.
Oh.
Na no no de be ade. Na no no efie o. Sometimes you will nipa bi omu wo fie.
Yeah.
Omu di ahwehwem anamu kan say
Mirror. We have some people who have mirror at home.
Omu di mirror ntu say. Ombe fre kofi. Ana Jamal. De wo abuchire ye nyina me pese me hu na wo mirror we.
Right.
No mu hu papa de wo abuchire.
Some people are able to call you from wherever you are and they see you in their mirror.
No mu ko pe akokokoko
and then they will go and look for red fowl.
Abe kumasa ade no
and then they will kill it for that thing.
Ebe for me atade
it will form a dress.
Na atade no so ye baye tade
and then the dress is witchcraft dress.
na baye tade no na move aha akọ ko hyesa nipa na wo abuchire.
So with this witchcraft dress that has been formulated with red fowl blood will move from here and go and fall on the body of the person they want to destroy.
So sa nipa no,
and that person,
the
person can never prosper again.
Look
for money and look for money and look for money.
And I will nipa bia wo abuchire se sia. Omu abuche omu nkwala.
Some people have given birth abroad.
But
they can't even see their children.
There be
Abayaje.
Omu abensem. Nene nyina no enye aben problem e fear.
It is from the house. It is not the government per se. It is from your own house.
Ana obi so wo ho wo ko wu nkwala. Ana nkwala do nyina dani jimi for.
And some people have given birth abroad and all the children are excuse me
because said they make children way ma solve that problem no I check 10 times kura.
You've solved more than 10 of such problems.
To enti we ask no enye nipa ba ko de.
The world doesn't belong to one person.
Enti na mpanfo yi me say me yi me hu kire amanfo na de wo haw nyina na won da haw bra na buano.
So you have solutions to help. Nana Trapreko. Before ye di nkomotwetwe be wie no. I want you to say we say wo me dem.
Nam.
Mention some things in my room so that I will confirm or deny so that people will know that when you said you are seeing my room, I didn't let you just say it.
Say the tien one. Men person men kasa bebiri.
Yeah.
Be me kasa kakra.
Kakra.
What you
say? Bibi kakra.
Me patcho wan. Suma akwala we wo dem wan.
Right.
No wura mo dem. Wo wuru a one share right. What eh? Obe won fridge bi sisi ho. Drink kokon won yi brem na minum.
I don't keep drink per se in my room.
Drink kokon won yi brem na
drink ben because me no monsanti there's no drink in my room.
Enya nsan o. Enya nsan asam.
What drink is it?
A drink.
There's drink.
Drink no. Na enya bottle.
Enya bottle. It's not a bottle drink.
Yes.
Okay.
What you say?
Okay.
Na enya bottle. But a can.
Can't drink.
Can't drink.
Can't drink.
Can't drink no.
Yeah.
Na energy one. For you
energy drink. Nana Trapreko.
What you say?
Charlie, you go my house.
Enti.
Go back about the upon. But there's no can drink though.
Enti.
Wow.
Dear hono.
Enti nana how we are the day na ohu me dem.
Say the tie no.
We are the day na ohu me.
Say enema de ekata ye no. Te say de ye ba ha no. Say hia nipa bebre no munya nipa. What you say? Enti enye obia na ye nipa. But we be hia no say. Na won say sa nipa we ye nipa. Wo dwuni say we ye nipa. But enye nipa.
Enye nipa.
Enti eni.
Now sometimes eni etimi disappoint mo. Is the eye able to disappoint you sometimes? It sees things that are not there or it sees wrongly. I'm saying this based on one thing.
There won duru baby aye wo no. Onu asam no.
Okay.
But said ye
baby awe do no there.
Me duru no there.
Eni ntimi that at your level you can't see wrong.
No. Eni ntimi that.
And you can't mistake.
Any hobby
Wow.
One way.
Yes.
When no me person me nchire say. When no na masesa.
Okay.
What you say? But never way. Bet me can say nyini ache me nana wo kan sign.
Your great grandfather. This is older than your great grandfather.
Sana me kire wo
nana your grandfather.
Sadia way enante nipa mensan so na eba me so 4.
This has worked on 3 generations. You are the 4th one. Sadia.
And this say the way tie.
But and looking old. It doesn't look old.
Enti na me kire wo say we no
what's the sound leather no oh you change the leather but the stick
and bibia no
4 generations.
Yeah. Nipa 3 na obakata na betu.
Ansa na abeto so only 4th one.
Me na here 4.
E dey na here what does it do?
We no eya adwuma bebre.
Okay.
To say wo tuo sesi a wo de fa tuo no bra sesi a. A say wo tuo awa ha wo de mo fa tuo no bra. Wo fa tuo no a wo de gina ha say na ma nipa no bo no hwe.
Embo.
Na sesi aso say me one way. We say pese asundwe mbra. E betimi ama na asundwe bra. Say em pese asundwe bra. You bet much chiri obia wo we so.
You can tie everybody on this padlock.
Enye edi. Enye edi na mbe frɛ wo.
Enye edi.
Wonya kan Ghana fo nyina sɛ wo nyina wɔ ha no.
Obetimi achichiri Ghana fo nyina wɔ padlock.
You bet me achichiri
obia e wɔ ho.
We the entina eda so wɔ ha no. Asam. Entina ye lock no no. Yem bie no yasam
mum bie no no yasam nti bibi nti na etesa
ya chichiri asam de ebe ban what you say enti na da so ho no
obetimi achichiri Ghana fo nyina wo this
obia
every Ghanaian onto this padlock
omunyina say wo be kasa membo obia din wo
right
be se wonya wo Ghana de asem me kan Ghana fo nyina say wo so wo Ghana
yeah me wo Ghana
obia be ba ha
really
enti boni nye say be di boni a enye easy but papa na ehia
pacho ye papa
enti papa na ye de ye ndi boni na ye so ya adwuma mu yonku nipa
na trapreko baby ankomo na edui I'm sure say ehfa na wo
me was Savannah region Salaga
ya
Salaga na me wo
na obi hia wo ebisa wo nsem a
yeah
eno nso ye be ne den
se obi hia me abisa me asam se obeba boni bia ne ho
okay
wonya fa ka abesi kumase a afa ka abesi yaji wotare nsi no aka ka ho wo si obekọ Salaga oho ni Salaga ye 10 cities
on dem beba na ye hia wo nso anamba be ne ye frɛ
betimi afrɛ 055 00 30 711
again
ana 055 00 30 711
right
ana yesa wo 054 39 42 824
again
ana 054
right.
39 42
824
ha wo frɛ ni nyina inshallah ebeba me nchewa
nti Salaga na wo
Salaga me wo sami wo Salaga
nti obia hia wa ida so be frɛ o we di nkomo
yeah I see se obia hia me a wo frɛ me a bebo nkomo yi na mboa de wo pɛ sɛmbetimi ayama wa be kyerɛ wo
okay
sɛmentimi yɛ so a me ntwo ntro
bibi wo ho a wontimi nyɛ
de mentimi yɛ no ade few say
kitwa bi is only a few that you can't do
de mentimi yɛ no na yɛ te sɛ enye se mentimi yɛ o me mpɛ me yɛ
you wouldn't like to do it
eno na yɛ te sɛ nipa kum
you are killing
me nipa
you don't do that
te sɛ wo fa nipa bra kum nipa mame
or man nipa bodan mame
Dabi
you don't do all
this
say
bodan dia se ma wo sɛ de nipa ne yɛ no enye no kwansa bet ma no bodan na me ma wo time de mbesa sesa wonjina yi
so you
bet kun nipa man
you don't do
Dabi
thank you never menku obia mo no menku obia mo obia nana trapreko me da sese wenya bre enemy abetwetwe nko thank you very much for being on the platform bibi o ha person can be
boni bia ne ho de o ho ye se de yenyina adwuma ba ko na ye yenyina yankata obotre
right
obi o ho ye papa
right
obi o ho so enye papa but abotre udi abotre a obi hu obi abehun de wo ye papa no no obi ahun de wonye papa no so enti abotre na me ma obi a wa
right thank you very much Nana Trapreko is his name located in Salaga. He's put out his number, so if you've got some questions, I know of course I can't ask all the questions. I say this every time. I don't have all the questions in my head. I'm not repository of knowledge. So if you also have some questions to ask, I'm saying questions, you can call and ask, because matters of the spirit is vast and we all need knowledge to enrich our knowledge bank. That's why I keep telling you that you've got to be careful. You've got to open your eyes wide and keep your minds wide open. And whatever decision you take after watching this interview is entirely your responsibility. Arnold, Elavanyo, the host, and Vibes in 5 will not be held liable for your decision after watching this interview. So please beware and act responsibly. Big shouts to Edida Azekins. Big shouts to you, Brown, Legend, Sat, and Vanny Tomika Laze. Nana chapter commit me chair.
Oh, better.
Inshallah. That's why. Interesting. We come here me there.
Okay.
Because ukasa ne vim. Ukasa any authority.
Inshallah.
And obian so de unim de awe ya ukasa ho yi. Okay. All right, guys, we'll meet you again on our next episode. We keep bringing you interesting conversations, and this one, such conversations. We'll be back. We out.